Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming components and charging the HyperX Cloud Alpha PC. This ensures stable firmware and battery if applicable. Once done, plug the USB dongle into a rear USB 3.0 port for best signal. Avoid front panel hubs. Make sure Windows recognizes a new audio device. You'll power on the headset and watch the LED status. Green indicates paired. If pairing doesn't begin automatically, hold the power button briefly to enter pairing mode and retry the dongle connection. You then install HyperX Ingenuity or the recommended driver to access EQ and mic settings. This provides low latency profiles and firmware updates. After installation, restart the PC to finalize drivers. Next, open Windows Sound Settings and set playback and recording defaults to HyperX Cloud Alpha. This routes system audio and mic correctly. Make sure the sample rate is 48,000 HC and 24-bit. This is a practical balance between quality and CPU usage. Finally, you finish by fine-tuning levels and running practical tests. Record a quick clip or join a test call to verify mic clarity and headset levels. Once satisfied, lock in EQ profiles and save them to the device if supported. If you encounter dropouts, update headset firmware via Ingenuity and repair the dongle. Often that fixes stability. As a troubleshooting tip, try another USB port, avoid extenders, and disable Windows exclusive mode in sound properties. This resolves most connectivity and sample rate conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.